Welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about the product management in Odoo 17. So the project management involves planning, developing, launching and overseeing a product or services throughout its life cycle. In Odoo, product is used in almost each and every module, like in sales, in purchase, in inventory, and the movement of product can be seen everywhere, which includes the accounting part also, tracking of product, and many more activities can be done with the product. So let's go and check the product, how it has been created, updated, how to manage the sales price and the purchase price in product. So we will go and check it in the sales module. So in the product section, we are having products, product variant, price list. So this three of the, but now we will discuss the product. In the next video, I will discuss the product variant and the price list. So as we can see, the product can be seen over here in Kanban view, and the name of the product can be seen in the top in bold letters, and the price can be seen over here, and on hand quantity can also be seen over here. It has some more views like list view and activity view. So the one can schedule any activity by just clicking over here, but we will go and work on Kanban view. So let's go to the product which is already been created, so that I don't need to enter so many details, and so that our time can be saved. So we will directly jump to cabinet with doors. So we have a dashboard of product, as on the screen we can see that. Just click the product name over here and enter the name of the product, as I am taking as it as cabinet with doors, and we also have the option to upload the image of the product. We have multiple checkboxes for what this product is going to move. So we can sold this product as can be sold, can be purchased, recurring, and can be expended. It means the product can be used in the expense. So let's go and check the tabs given below. So we are having multiple tabs over here with different functionality related to the Odoo ERP. So let's go and check the general information. We have attributes and variants, sales, purchase, inventory, and accounting. So first of all, we will go and check the general information. So in the general information, we are having product type. So clicking the drop down, we have multiple types of the product. That is the product consumable, or the product is like service, we are giving any service to the customer, or the product can be stored. Combo means there can be a combination of products, and event tickets. So we can select any of them as per the type of the product. So we have the invoicing policy, when the invoicing will be done. We can set the unit of measurement for the product. Just click on drop down and we have all the standard measurement for the product, and one can also create if required, but you will find almost all the unit of measurement over here. Likewise, for purchasing, stands for unit of measurement, as you know, and you can find the standard units over here on searching and in the drop down also. If the product is repairable, then click it on checkbox, else you can disable it. If there is a requirement of internal notes, you can just click here and enter the internal notes over here. One can decide the sales price over here, as the cabinet with door is costing $140, so one can edit it also, and the tax imposed on the product can be set over here. The cost of per unit can also will be set over here. You can just put the per unit cost. Product category can be set from here. So what is all or consumable all, and so on. Internal reference, if there is an internal reference, you can enter over here. Barcode, if you want to put any barcode over the product, so the number will be generated or will come over here, or you can manually also enter it. Product templates can be set from here, as now in the configuration it has not been set, but you have the option to configure the tab from here. So get back to the product and select the company for which company this product is going to be created. Attribute means, suppose we are having, let's talk about this product only, cabinet with door. As in the image we can see the color of the cabinet is brownish. So we can have a multiple products variant. We can have a black color cabinet, we can have a blue, white, and multiple colors. So as per the variant, we can put the attributes for the product that I will showcase you in next video. Let's go to the sales, and we have multiple options for sales, upsells and cross sales. So we are having the optional product. If there is an optional product, let's say we are not having white color cabinet, and we are having a product in different variant, or may say different color, or there is another product, just you can select it from here. If suppose, and for the optional product, for accessory product, if the table requires a cover, one can select the cover from here. So there could be multiple accessories for a cabinet. Let's say there's a cloth for cleaning the cabinet, it can be put over here. Alternate product, if the availability of the product is not there, one can give the option to the customer that we have an optional product despite of this product. So you can select this one also. E-commerce shop, we can use the website also, enter the website. One can see this product on website. website square can be put over here. Cabinet is category can be set over here, that what is the category of the product. If out of this stock, then also if suppose one is selling the product, it can be sold, and after the replenishment the product will be sent to the customer. So availability quantity, if it's checked it will show, else it will not show. Out of stock message, you can type the out of the stock message over here. So let's go and check the point of sale. If available the POS, just click the button and you can see the availability, and we will just disable it because it is not of use right now for me. Extra product media, if you want to add any media, just go and click it over and just put the image and the URL of the media. Purchase, in purchase, whenever we are going to purchase this product, so we have the option to select the vendors, and we can in the lines of the item add a line. We can choose multiple vendors and put the price of the vendor, so that we can have the comparison that the price of one vendor is less or more, and we have the flexibility to purchase the cabinet. Vendor bill can be configured from here, how much tax, policy, on order quantity or on receipt quantity, and purchase description can be entered over here. Inventory, we can manage the inventory of the product from here only. We have the option of routes, want to buy or need to manufacture, we can select from here. Traceability is also possible here. If there is, we don't want to trust the product, just say no tracking, or it can be tracked by unique serial number as well as by lots. Logistic can be controlled by the person, that the responsible person need to take care of the product and the movement of the product. We can enter the weight, volume, customer lead time, what is the lead time of the customer, HSC code, origin of the code, everything can be managed from here. In fact, we have the counterpart location, so we can choose the production location as well as inventory location from here. Description for delivery order can be entered from here. If you want to give any description that handle it with handle carefully, or you want to give any sign that it should be handled from left to right or like that, up to down or down to up, you can just enter it over there. Accounting, we have receivable, income account can be set over here, expense account can be chosen from here, and price difference account can be also selected from here. After entering all the relevant data, you can just go and save it. So this is the product. We are having multiple option on the top. That extra price will be seen over here. If any price list difference is there, you can just go and check it. if there is any document attached to this product, can be seen, and the 0 will become 1. On website, how the product looks, let me show you is this product, how beautiful it is looking, and automatically the just add the quantity and add to cart. You will able to see the difference of the costing. Go back and check the product. The forecast can be on hand quantity can be seen over here. Just go and check on hand quantity. If it is 0, you can update the quantity from here also, and from replenishment. Sorry for the slip of tongue. Forecast can be seen over here. If suppose we are having in future, we are going to sell this product approx 500 units, but right now we are not having 500, let's say 250 units are available, so we will order 250 more plus 250 more, and all the forecasting and the movement of the products can be seen over here. How many are on hand, how many are incoming, how many products are on the way. Everything can be seen and managed from here. We can see the in and out of the product also from here. You can see in and out of the product, how many products are coming in and going out. Reordering rules, if there is a reordering, so you can see how many times the order has been reordered, so it can be seen over here. So we have the bill of material, manufacturing unit, and everything on the top of the page. And one has a very flexible, one can use this product very flexibility, as most of the feature are available itself on the product menu itself. And if there is any update, one can check it from here, the message part. Every update will be registered over here. So I think I have covered almost all the topics of product. I hope you enjoyed my video, and this video will enhance your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.